I'm Courtney Zeza, and I did my 30 under 30 social entrepreneurship presentation on Kelly Peeler, and she's the CEO and founder of Next Gen Vest, which was founded in 2014. Some background on Kelly: she attended Harvard University. She was a member of the women's water polo team. She earned a swimming Scholastic All-American in 2005. She served as Harvard Undergraduate Women in Business Alumni and Senior Relations Director, and as the Harvard Freed's College Magazine Business Manager. NextGenVest is a financial advice company helping Generation Z better navigate the financial aid process via text message. Customers have saved more than $39 million through increasing access to the more than 2.7 billion in financial aid that goes unclaimed each year. The goal for social change is to partner with students and give them a money mentor, which is a trained college student. And this helps students apply for federal aid, submit key forms like the FAFSA form, and search for scholarships. It also, customers can text for advice at all hours of the day for personalized advice. And then based on the data, help find a type of school and location. The approach NextGenVest has is to train and certify college students to hold workshops on paying for college and working with student impact leaders in high schools across the country. Kelly's goal was to save students time and money so that they are able to do what they are passionate about, and she suggests to be self-aware. She advises that you pick projects that you care about and don't overextend yourself. The business model of NextGenVest is to use social media to target students. Peeler says how over 30% of students can't afford to visit a college campus, and Snapchat Tour is the cheapest option. NextGenVest has students at different schools around the county take over their Snapchats every day, so you can see what a day in the life is really like at various colleges. NextGenVest also launched the Snapchat channel in 2016, targeting high school and college students. It quickly became the cheapest way for one to go on a college tour, as students from colleges all over the country started doing NextGenVest Snapchat takeovers. After its Snapchat success, the brand will continue using Snapchat as a way to engage and answer student questions about financial aid, student loans, and the cost of college. Some of their work: any student using this resource has been affected in a good way. And in 2016, NextGenVest helped around 2,000 students in 6 cities select better value colleges, navigate loan applications, and sometimes even negotiate tuition reductions. A good example of how this has been a good work is a student got into the Wharton School at the University of Pennsylvania and was awarded no financial aid. Within 48 hours, Kelly and her team were able to help him renegotiate his financial aid package to get $40,000 back. Their annual revenue and number of employees: in 2017, their annual revenue was $3 million, and NextGenVest generates 45.4 thousand in revenue per employee, and currently they have 68 employees. Have they been successful? Yes, they have been. Hyper-personalization is a key part of the long-term success of delivering affordable financing aided Klein. We know that our customers want an on-demand help figuring out their best financing options, whether they're an 18-year-old getting a loan for college, a graduate pursuing refinancing options, or an employee seeking an employer benefit for making consistent on-time student loan payments. A couple interesting facts I found after researching this was that 68% of students are taking out loans they don't understand. 45% of them say navigating financial aid paperwork is more stressful than standardized tests. The average student graduates with $37,000 in student loan debt. One last thing I found interesting is that a college degree can run up to 6 figures these days. And in 2012, 1.3 million students graduating from four-year colleges had student loan debt. The average student has to pay off nearly $30,000 in loan. So basically, how NextGenVest is helpful is by receiving text from people and signing up with a money mentor, and you can message these people at any time of the day. Thank you.